Greetings, day 5. Let's get it. So, guys, let's see. How am I going to? So, personally, now we have a deployed app from day 3. Day 4, I added some more stuff and took away some stuff. And day 5, I'm adding back some of the stuff that I took away. I don't know what happened. Probably too tired. And I started tripping about internet access. Like, this is going to be a website, basically. Whew, I don't know. I don't know what to tell you. But I stripped away some of the functionality with concerns of its actual ability to access the internet, which is ridiculous because it's on the internet. It's a website. So anyway, for mine, I'm putting some of that back. Obviously, this adds more complexity. It's ready. So I don't know if you want to do this for your first app or not. It is something that will be integrated in the future app, but um, here is something very important. I think y'all saw part of the problem that I was having yesterday with this not scrolling and these buttons not being clickable. All I had to do was, and it was working when you created another link. If I just in a new tab, it worked fine. So something finally said, um, just close down Replit and start it all over again. And I tried refreshing plenty of times. That didn't work. Didn't do anything. But guess what? Close down Replit, open it back up, and worked just fine. So I wasted an hour. You wasn't here an hour just watching that, but I wasted an hour trying to let this thing fix that problem. And that's all I had to do. So that's a huge time saving tip for you. But now, let me see if, man, they got rid of all of those. Let's see. Yep, got rid of all of that. Let's see if this content. All right, so how this could be used right now is like ACL policies. Is if you want to send a post to your VA or anybody else, but for me, it would be to the VA, like post this on social media, maybe at 6 o'clock, maybe at 5 o'clock, maybe tomorrow. I don't know. But content message. Let's say content. Create a professional content. I don't know why it's got to say all that. Okay, you need the hashtag right there beside the word. And then let's see how this works. Upload an image. All right. The, I click your post. I put upload an image and it creates the post. So that's the problem. Okay, so what I've just decided to do. Instead of worrying about social media, there should be no problem auto posting to WordPress sites. So at least we'll get that done. And you can easily share from WordPress to any of the social media sites. Um, so the next step I'm going to ask, I'm pretty sure the best way to do it is to have, in order to get a good look at how the post will be when put on the blog, is to post it as HTML. And then um, maybe we should have two images. Why not? Room for three images within the blog post. Maybe I'll just start with one. Wait. hmm Oh, and because this is working now, where you can go and grab images. Now it's working from the desktop. I'm assuming that it would work from the cell phone if we were on cell phone. And and I hadn't tested this yet, but for other posts, you should be able to email it to, let's say, your VA or something. And this URL, that's if you want to grab a screenshot. Well, we need to see if that works too. Um, uh-oh, they broke it. Oh, they working on it though. So, all right, I'll come back to you once this is done. So, what I've been doing is I'm trying to set up the app so that so that it can post on a WordPress blog. And from there, you should be able to share pretty easily to any of the social media networks. So that's still a big time saver. Let me ask you this. So if you decide to go this route, you need to create an application password in order to log into WordPress. It's not going to work with a regular user password. Now let's see if it works though. And then after that, we shall end this little short video. Oh, I was getting ready to say, man, you erased all them joints? That would be a travesty. Drum roll. Let's see. Published successfully. I think it worked. The thing is, I don't think I have a blog page to display it, which, you know, I don't want to display it anyway, but let's go in here to the dashboard to see if the page is created. Post created. That's it right there. It's in the drafts. Oh, the image didn't show up though. Oh, that's all right. I just wanted to get it to work. Now to say, uh, well, wait a minute. First, let's try to make it not be a draft. I got it set to draft. Let's publish it. And it should be clickable. There it is right there. So now we just need to say featured article, which I guess would be the last article. That's probably set up at customize what would be the featured article, the latest post probably. Well, we worry about that later. The main thing is to get it to post from the app and then fine tune it from there. We're running out of time for me to set the video up to be ready for the premiere. So well, let's expedite this a little bit. Image is not displaying, but the post works. Now I'd like for it to post as HTML. Is that possible? Well, it's talking about overriding. Hey, talking about overriding, but I don't know if that would make sense because if it's going to override and use the regular editing box, then it's going to show HTML instead of it's going to show the actual code instead of a page built in HTML. So this will be interesting. And then the next thing would be for me, you know what I'm saying? Not saying you have to do this. I'll add audio here. If this gets perfected, I'll add audio. So you don't have to actually type. This is going to be on the cell phone. For most people, this is a test post. And also, um, I will add AI so that whatever you speak in there, you know, you don't have to worry about getting it perfect because we'll just get AI to organize your thoughts, create a useful post out of whatever you ramble in there, and then it's off to the races. After all, that is the whole point is to uh, is to save time. Should have it should have WordPress in here as an option. Oh, publish to WordPress. Oh, okay. That tells you where it's going right there. It's not giving us the URL like the other one did. This should be clickable. That'll be good. WordPress. All right, so let's check and see if it went. Did I have it in draft again? Broke. Meanwhile, well, let's check. Chat has ended. All right, so while we're waiting on that, let's go over here and see if it's in here. A new way to ski. Oh, did I redo the same one? 9:59, 10. Oh no, this is the one that I went back and did. So that last one is not in here. So let's see if it's still in draft. Content. Oh, published. Says published, but now it's giving us the feedback. So now let's see if it's really published. Nope. All right. Oh, okay. That's how you have to do it, huh? Where's the T coming from? Why is it just T? Oh, okay. Yeah, that's a crazy blog post name. But the main thing right now is that it posts. And we can clear up the details about how it posts later. I guess we should choose this whole. I mean, this whole thing is kind of ugly, but I guess we'll work on that later. All right, y'all. I'll catch you on tomorrow's session. Thank y'all for watching. It's gonna get better. I'm telling you that. Just need a good night's sleep.